All right, guys, good evening. Welcome back to Primetime Travelers. I am here at the Cabrillo National Monument in the San Diego area of California, and we are here to check this place out, check out the lighthouse, check out the monument that's over that way, check out the awesome views that are here, maybe take a nice little trail hike. We're gonna go check the place out. Come along with us. Let's go make some memories. Heading into the visitor center. It says snacks are down there. Vending machines. Auditorium. Exhibits, restrooms, visitor center. Visitor center may be closed. Excuse me. No, you're fine. Thank you. Alright guys, this is the visitor center gift shop over here. It's closed at 4 o'clock. Unfortunately, we were here the other day with no problems, no issues. Wow, look at all these helicopters that are flying. What is going on? We've been seeing these all day today. There's one over there. There's one going in each direction. They're like military helicopters or Coast Guard helicopters. I wonder what's going on. But anyway, we were here the other day early and we got into the visitor center. We got into everything. Unfortunately, we lost all of our footage, so we came back. So because most national parks, when you pay to get in admission, it's 7 days. So we are back. The Pacific Fleet, Naval Air Forces. Those helicopters that just went by almost look like these Seahawk ones. I wonder if that's what those were. That's the Naval Air Station right there in front of us. Almost looks like an island up there in the middle. That's this area right here. And then Shelter Island, which is a popular area, is down here. Which Shelter Island is going to be like in that area, directly over there. Directly over that way. Sorry, is Shelter Island. And here's some of the different ships that you see. Oh, a Carnival cruise ship. That's what they use for the cruise. Different styles of ships. But yeah, let me give you a panoramic view from up here. This is behind the visitor center.
Here in the middle is, I don't know how to say that first name, Yao Rodriguez Cabrillo. The monument here in Cabrillo Monument National Park. This is San Diego, and starting somewhere around here is Mexico. So this is how close San Diego is to the border of Mexico. Right over here is the beautiful lighthouse. A really nice view from here, and we'll show you that in a little bit.
Little storyboard here talking about Point Loma, the early years. And then here talking about the lighthouse, 1855 to 1891. So it's been standing here for a while. You can't drive up to the lighthouse unless if you're handicapped access, but they also have the Bayside Trail there. As you're walking up to the lighthouse, that Bayside Trail kind of goes along the bayside. There's our lighthouse. I'm gonna see if I can get inside of it before they close. Alright, I made it inside. The glass that they use. Alright, this is talking about the life and duties of the lighthouse keepers. Pretty cool. Alright, now I know from when I was here the other day, a couple of things. One, this thing that you see here behind this fence is a rain area, where that well that's back there, this was made at an angle on purpose so that when it would rain, the rainwater would flow down into that well, and then they would have storage water for out here, because when they were out here in the old days, there was no, it was a hard trek to get into San Diego. It took a lot of time to get back and forth with water. It was not easy because it's very hilly here and cliffs and everything else. So on this sign right here, it's talking about this rain catch area. It's called a catchment system. It says they built it. Unfortunately, they only got about 10 inches of rain per year, so it never yielded enough catch. So they still used to have to survive hauling extra water by horse and wagon. So they built this and it never really did what it was supposed to do. All right. This is inside the lighthouse. This is like the living area. A little fireplace to keep warm, a clock, place to sit. And over on this side, so this was the the kitchen area. Alright. And then when you go up the steps up here is where the bedrooms are at. I know we can't get up to the top from when I was here the other day. It was closed. You can't go any further than just past that next set of stairs. And this is one of the bedrooms in here. And then there's another bedroom in here with 2 beds. I'm guessing this is probably like a kid's room. But then when you go up the steps here, the tower is closed. You can't get all the way up to the top. But I'll take you up here anyway just to show you. See, they have it gated off. But that's what it looks like inside the lighthouse. So down the steps. I mean, obviously now it's more modern, but still, even back before the big city of San Diego was there, he still had amazing views from up here. I mean, look at this. It's a perfect spot for a lighthouse because you don't want the ships crashing into the shore here. But man, there goes 2 more of those naval, I guess they're some sort of naval helicopters, since that's a naval base down there.
See what we have in here. So let's go do this trail real quick. Get into this area. Let's go see if there's anything nice to see here. I'm already tired. It's nice though. Oh my god. Look at this view. Holy moly. Look at that. Holy. Wow. 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 Huh. Oh, cool. Coastal Artillery Control Station, 1943 to 1946. Cool. Oh, wow. look at this wonderful view. So beautiful. And there's the lighthouse.
All right, guys, thanks for coming with us to the Cabrillo Monument here in San Diego, California. We hope you enjoyed our visit to this national park site. It was $20 to get in for the entire vehicle, and the pass is good for 7 days. Today's actually my second visit back. I was just here about 4 days ago. Lost the footage, came back out, but no, this place is incredible. If you have a national park pass, it'll be free to get in. It'll be included with your annual pass. If you have the senior pass, that's good for the rest of your life. It's also included. If you like this video, you want to see us do more national park sites, hit that like button down below. Leave us a comment. Let us know what's your favorite national park or national historic site to visit. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and we will see you soon.